and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have one word for you: mold. This has been my wardrobe situation and mold was starting to take over. But today I am so excited. I am so happy I get to change this situation. But of course, garbage bags did come in handy, but they have to go now. Oh no, look at that. I have to clean up and push the carpet all the way to the wall. I cannot begin to tell you how happy this makes me. I sat there a while before I understood everything. Eventually I did, and I got up and started sorting everything out, laying out everything, checking if everything is in order, and these pieces were a lot. And yes, I was still reading while I was opening the bag. Yep, still not understanding the instructions. I finally settled on starting with the bottom pieces because those were the simplest to start with. And then the tape measure came out because I needed to confirm that every piece was equal and of the same length. And then I counted everything and made sure that everything was in order. And then I sorted all the joints, the 3 ways, the 4 ways, and the 5 ways. And just so you know, I wouldn't even recognize them. They slapped me on my face right now because I forgot immediately after I was done sorting them out. Later, and I had my first piece on the ground, and I was working on my second one, and I was getting tired. My legs got numb as well. I'll see you next time because this was not getting done today. Bye.